What's up, YouTube? Today we will be replacing the tail.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
As you can see here, my very highly developed driving skills went ahead and corrected the fine original equipment to a customization that led to a very ugly looking tail light. First thing we have to do, open the tail gate. Second thing we need to do, Phillips head screw. Take those out. This thing pops out. Check out my new one. All right, it's the new one here. All right, looks pretty darn good. Looks like the original one. It's definitely aftermarket, but it's like original equipment. What I need. Really satisfied with these aftermarket headlights. They look really cool and they're bright as hell. Really give this Escalade, these body styles, the style, man. I'll tell you what. All right. Got a little CAS screw, a little stowaway leaf here. Get out of here. Bottom side here. And you're ready. So oh, look at that. Oh, we have a nice little ant's nest in there. And go ahead and remove this light. First remove the bottom one. Ah, it's a twist. A lot easier. All right. Wow. This thing is in there. Just broke both tabs.
Oh!
Holy cow. Can't believe this.
A few moments later.
Wow. It definitely didn't want to come out. All right. No wonder it didn't want to come out. It had all that water surrounding it. So now we got this top piece right here. Gonna go ahead and lift that side here. Lift this side here. Lift up on this tab on the bottom. And it comes right out. So there's that. And this piece, folks, is junk. Bye bye. And I guess we have a different connection on here, which needs to be connected down to the bottom underneath the bumper. So when you get this, your connection is actually going to be down on the bumper. It's going to have to feed down through here like this, because the whip doesn't convert. The old original equipment doesn't convert. So you're just gonna shove that down in there, and we'll deal with that down below. Now this, take your flathead screwdriver, go up in here, just dig this one out. Okay, now throw this in. It's pretty damn good. Put our two screws in and then reconnect downstairs. Right, look at that. Looking good, looking good. All right, now let's go underneath there and connect this line hanging down. All right, so underneath the car, right here, folks, is what you have to disconnect. Cool. All right. Channel locks. Grab this. Oh shit, all the buildup in there. Oh boy. And we finally got it. Oh. So folks, just take this, plug that in, and that's it. And if you guys want to secure it, you guys can secure it. My tab right there is broken off. It looks like somebody has done this before. I'm gonna throw a zip tie in here to here, so it's zip tied up there like that. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the support, and have a great day. Take care.